Hey guys, welcome back to the Lawn Squad. I am washing my strawberries right now because we are going to reorganize the whole bridge. So I'm just going to put the strawberry because it fell in for my pig. And we're just going to kind of wash the strawberries. I'm not going to do it that high because I don't want it to tip, but yeah, we're going to wash our strawberries now. Trying to get down most of the splash, but I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take out the top ones because I know these have been washed because they all have been washed, but you know. So I'm just going to go ahead and take them all out now. And I'm sorry, the beginning of this video I had where I showed you the fridge, but it all got erased. So I have to start it all over. Like when I was filming, the camera shut it off. So yeah, but I do have my own rag right here. But now I'm going to move this strainer out of the way right here because I'm going to be using that again. I'm just going to rinse out the strawberry container because I did have to take out the old strawberries from it. So we're just going to go ahead and rewash this container. No soap because your fruit is going in here, so we do not want to do that. So next we're going to take this rag. This is my hand rag and any container rag. I just kind of do the beginning of it. I set this down and then I do paper towels because paper towels work the best with drying stuff. And I don't know what it is. It just really helps. It gets in dryer better. Which it doesn't care if it's a little more wet because you're putting in wet fruit. Because, you know, it's wet fruit. Okay, so next I'm just going to kind of damp with these paper towels my strawberries so they're not like soaking wet. And we're just going to put in the strawberries now. So we're putting in the strawberries because they're brand new and they weren't washed yet. So now they're washed. It's not really that much of strawberries, but that is okay. So now let's put these in the fridge. I'm going to go ahead and put you like where you can see. Hold on, let me flip this camera. Oh my gosh. I'm like one of these like other YouTubers, but do you wash apples? You wash apples, right? You wash apples, correct? I think so. So, alright, paper towels there. Take off the fruit stickers. Put in there, and I'm just gonna rinse off each apple just with water. I'll fix you guys. See, I'll fix you guys. So, just gonna rinse off my apples, taking off the fruit stickers, and just rinsing off my apples because you know apples need really good. Sorry, I needed to shut that. I'll come back to this one. Just rinsing off my apples. This sticker won't come off. The sticker will. So I'm just rinsing off my apples because I'm rinsing off my apples. This one's at this one. I want these feet in. Let me try and get this sticker off. Maybe just, there we go. And there you go, your apples are all clean now. But they're not fully clean because you do have to rinse out the container, which, that is not fingerprints, that is just the coldness from the fridge. But I think it's all off. Very nice. Okay. put my fruit stickers to the side. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit right there. Now let me grab some paper towels. This is really wet. So I'm just gonna rinse this off now. Okay, take me a little bit, but there you go. So now you're gonna put your apples in the container. I'm gonna put this one on top because that one's like pretty good. So now let's do the TikTok thing again. Okay, so we're gonna open up the fridge. Now we're gonna slide these in. Ready? Oh, I forgot to flip it. Oh, I can't get it perfectly. Okay, good enough. But we are not done. Oh, oops. We are not done right now. I will be right back. I'm gonna go ask my mother. Okay, I'm back. I just needed to know how much my iPad was at because I told my mom to write it down and I forgot. So now we're gonna wash tomatoes because I'm gonna wash tomatoes. So let's go ahead, open these up, move Arlo. Go ahead and get all the tomatoes out of here so we can wash them. There we go, all the tomatoes are out of there. Woo, that almost fell again. Let's go ahead and start rinsing the tomatoes off. Washing my tomatoes. I keep saying potatoes instead of tomatoes. All you do is kind of a quick rinse and you're done. That's all you have to do for tomatoes. That and kind of shake them a little bit. And then you set them up here and flip them. There you go. And for tomatoes, we're just going to be using the same container because why not? Yeah, why not? Right? But yeah, why not? That would open. But yeah, so we're just going to be using this again. That's why I saved the top to it. So now I just put all the tomatoes back in. And they're clean now and fresh, I guess. I don't really know how to say that, but they're clean. And I'm just going to pull them back in. Some underneath the paper towels. But how did these all fit in here? They're like coming up. Okay. Here are the tomatoes. The sticker doesn't go back on, but here are the tomatoes. Okay. So now we're going to put them back in the fridge. So we're just going to leave that open. And now let's see the TikTok. My gosh, doesn't even fit in here. Right here. Oh my gosh, I gotta find a place because these do not fit in here. They fit right here. Look, ready? How are these tomatoes originally in here? They're like this. Okay, I got it. I don't know if I got that, but now they're in the back. So now I'm just gonna take out this first shelf right here, and I'm just gonna reorganize it and put it all back in. If that did not sound weird at all. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna shut this from. What am I doing? I'm gonna go let my sister in because she is locked out of the backyard. Oh, never mind. She just doesn't want to come in. I don't know if she knocked, but I don't get it. But I'm gonna put you in the fridge now because we're just gonna take out the first shelf, and yeah, so that's this shelf with the eggs and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put you right here, and we'll put this bag of onion right behind you, so then you could stay and see me. So we got tuna, eggs. We have a lot of eggs. We like eggs, and all the puddings that got all the way pushed back. These puddings are delicious. Woo! So first, eggs. Let me see. These eggs have some missing. I'm just gonna take these eggs out of the yellow carton and put them into the other carton because we don't use the egg things that people have because it takes up a lot of room, so we don't use those. So eggs, we're gonna put the tuna right next to it, right there, and it says hold tight, like that's what you know. So next we're just gonna make a line of pudding because it's a line of pudding, and we have 3 ones left to go. Put these over here. Pudding. Another shelf. Line these up like so. We're actually going to stack this one because this one is extra, so we're just going to keep this one on the side like that. There we go. Now let's do the overview of this first shelf. Right there. Next is that shelf with the pasta on it. So let's go ahead and start. Because right there, the pasta shelf. First, salad. Salad is really good. This is meat that's in a bag. We got some freshly made pasta that's still kind of warm. I just put it in the fridge before I started. And then we have some tortillas. Oh look, I found some more pudding. Oh, these are kind of the gross ones that we accidentally got. But we'll just put these back there anyways. So, we have some tortillas, and a pizza Lunchable. Yeah. So, first we're going to put in the meat, because meat, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's meat. And next is the pasta. Pasta goes right here, right in the back. Then we have 3 different types of tortillas. Right there. Next, salad. Right there. And last but not least, the Lunchable goes right on top of the meat. Bam! And there you go. Very organized. Next is that shelf. Next is that shelf, which is pretty tall. Well, let's see what we have. We have some limes already cut. We have some bread ready for lunches. We have a bucket of pickles. These are delicious pickles. We have another type of pickle and another type of pickle. 3 different types of pickles. We have Don't take my video down, YouTube. This is what it's called. It's called bitchin' sauce. Look it up. Next we have chicken wings from Albertsons and which ones are these? And chicken tenders from Albertsons. Left over. Then we have some. Oh, gotta shut the door. It was open too long. See, it beeps, and then you just open it back up. But some coleslaw. So let's put that back in. First, we are going to start with the bread. We're going to put it right in the middle. Right on the side. Next, we're going to do all our pickle brands because we have lots of pickles for some reason. And we're going to put the bucket of pickles in the back. Then this type of brand that makes pickles. Then this same brand of pickles. Oh, that doesn't fit. We put that right. Right. Next, our small type of pickles. These can go right next to it. Pickles. Next is the leftover Albertson things. Because we have 2 bags of these. They just come in the back. Next we have bitchin' sauce. It's a really good sauce. You should definitely go buy some at Costco. We get a big thing of it. Next is our limes. Oh, they smell so good. Some limes. There you go. There's the same shelf. And yes, I'm putting everything back on that one shelf, but it's much organized. More organized, I should say. Next we have all of our drinks and stuff like that on the top shelf. And we're just gonna go ahead like whipped cream and stuff like that. And then we got chocolate milk and regular milk. We have a pretty good fridge, actually. We got mayonnaise. Oh my gosh, guys, you're not gonna believe it. More salsa. I thought I was gonna say pickles. Oh my gosh, wait, for real, guys, though, there's actually green olives. Made you think it was pickles again. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll start with the pickle toast. Next is Hershey's syrup, secret sauce, and ketchup. So we are going to put pickles. I'm joking. That was my last pickle joke. I told you so. Next is this other pickle brand. That's salsa. Next is this and Miracle. Actually, Miracle goes right there. This goes back there. What? Next, this mayonnaise goes over here because it doesn't fit over on that side. Next, chocolate milk and milk can go right here because we drink this like every morning for breakfast. Next is lemonade. Lemonade is a keeper that can just go right there. Next, whipped cream. And I'm not going to be organizing the doors because nobody really looks at the doors. But here is the fridge. I didn't do the drawers because I didn't want to do the drawers. So, there's our fridge. I hope you like it because I worked really hard on it and I love it. And it's so pretty. And I love it. It's really pretty. And it reminds me of home. I'm joking. Okay. Trying to close the trash. Okay. It's time to say goodbye, but not for long. Goodbye. Hope you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified for each video that I post. Goodbye.